Greeting, welcome to the session of business analytics. Another business analytics. Today we shall understand what is called data quality. So in this aspect, class, we are going to understand what is called the meaning of data quality. What are the key aspects of data quality? Let us understand one by one. Data quality, one of the pivotal aspect of business analytics is the data, and the data should have the quality as required by the analyst, and for the people who are going to do the analysis should have the authenticity in terms of accuracy, completeness, consistency, reliability, and timeliness. So the data quality refers to the accuracy, completeness, consistency, reliability, and the timeliness of the data. So the data quality is the measure that is to what extent the data meets the requirement and expectation for the intended use. High quality data is crucial for ensuring the effectiveness and reliability of the business process, decision making, analytics, and reporting. Let us understand key aspects of data quality. The first one is accuracy. Accuracy refers to the degree to which data accurately represent the real world entities or phenomena it is intended to describe. Accurate data is free from errors, discrepancies, and inconsistency. It reflects the true value and attributes of the entities it represents. The second key aspect is completeness. The data should have complete by itself. In other words, completeness refers to the presence of all required data elements and attributes within the data set. In other words, complete data contains all necessary information needed for its intended purpose without any missing or null values. The highlighting point under the completeness is that the data should have complete by itself, should not have any missing and null values. The third aspect of data quality is consistency. That means the consistency refers to the absence of discrepancies or contradictions within a data set or between the different two or three or more than three data sets. The consistent data maintains uniformity and coherence, that is the matching across its various attributes and values, ensuring that it remains reliable, usable for any analysis and decision making. So we can simplify in terms of the data tabular data, whatever we have in accounts or any financial data set, the date column should have only the date format rather than the value in terms of rupees, or particular should have only the text data rather than the only data related to the date or maybe amount. So that means the consistency should be there across all the format, across all the data sets, across all the connecting data bases. The fourth one is reliability. That means the reliability refers to the trustworthiness and dependability of the data for its intended use. That means the reliable data is an accurate, should be consistent, and should be free from any bias, distortions, allowing users to have confidence in its validity and integrity. That means to see one of the criteria for the data quality that it should have reliable by itself. That means any data which is not having a confirmation to its requirement, or it is not having a worth in terms of analysis. When you're going to say it is a worth in terms of the reliable. So that is very important in the aspect of data quality. Let us go for the last component or the aspect of the data quality. It is timeliness. That means to say that timeliness refers to the currency or the relevance of the data in relation to its intended use or analysis time frame. Timely data is the data which is up to date and reflect most recent information available at the time of analysis or decision making. So thus, quality of data determines the quality of analysis. So there are basically five types are the five concepts under which we are going to find data quality. So we'll come to the end of the session, and we are going to sum up what we covered. We covered what is called the data quality. What are the key concepts under the data quality? Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll going to discuss in the next classes with some more business analytic concepts and technologies. Thank you very much.